Hello everyone. Today we will see how to fix values to date and time in Excel. So let's start. Here we can see date column where the last three cells have proper date format but the first three cells are in value format, which is not right because in the date column all values should be in date format. So why this happened? Because the settings of these three cells are not proper. We have to set the settings in the right way. To do that, we can select all the cells where we have to make the change, or we can select the entire range including the right one also, and we have to change them into the format we want. To do that, go to home, and from here if you click on short date, then all the three cells that had value first will be converted to short dates, and all the cells which were date format is the same as it is. So this is how we can change the value to proper format. Or if we want to set it in another format, select the whole thing, and here you can select long date, you can select time also. That means every value has their own short date, long date, time, these data types. Okay, now if you want to, I'm going some steps back. Okay, if you want to find the value again from your data, how to do that? Select the cell where you want to keep the data, type value, opening bracket, select the cell, close bracket, enter. You will get this uh, date into its own value. If I drag across, we will see respective dates value is shown. So this is how we can convert the values into different data types, and from different data types we can get the value again. That's all for today. Thank you very much.